Everyone, this is Dr. Sheena Bansal. So today we will talk about the talar fractures, except talar neck fractures. Okay, so talar fractures include talar head, talar body fractures, lateral process, posterior process. Most common talar fractures are talar neck fractures. After that, here comes the talar body fractures, posterior lateral process fractures. Talar head fractures, talar head articulates with the navicular bone and is supplied by the anterior tibial artery and peroneal artery. Talar body fractures occurs with the high energy trauma supplied by the deltoid artery and posterior tibial artery. Talar lateral process articulates with the fibula and posterior facet. Classification is type 1, 2 and 3. Type 1 fracture don't involve the articular surface. Type 2 involves subtalar or talofibular joint. Type 3 is comminuted. It occurs in the snow borders. Then is a posterior process. Here we have two types, posteromedial tubercle and lateral tubercle. In between these two tubercles is the groove through which FHL passes. Posteromedial tubercle fractures approached with the posteromedial approach, that is in between the flexor digitorum longus and neurovascular bundle. And for posterolateral tubercle, incision is given between the Achilles and peroneal tendon, that is posterolateral approach. For lateral process fractures, lateral approach is done in which incision is given over sinus tarsus, tarsal incision over tarsal sinus, and extensor digitorum brevis is reflected. Then you should know about, if there is less than 2 millimeter displacement, then you will give cast for 6 weeks. If there is more than 2 millimeter displacement, then you can do ORIF or PINI. Then you have one special view, that is canal view for the talar fractures. That is, here we have to do the maximum equinus and 15-degree pronation. Then X-ray beam is fall at 75-degree angle from horizontal. Complications of talar fractures are AVN is the most common. Then we have talonavicular arthritis, subtalar arthritis, and malunion. So this was all about the talar fractures, in which we have four types, that is head, then we have body, then we have lateral process and posterior process.